get it into Bluetooth pairing mode and turn it on and off. So we'll take a look at that option and we'll just play some tunage. There's nothing in this world can do. Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be taking like two items from MPOW that will allow you to listen to your audio device, your phone, whatever, through your car stereo. So these two items, there's two items here, and then there's two different ways to do it. So let's look at both of them. First one is called the Streambot 1. This is a hands-free car kit. So this is going to use Bluetooth technology for you to stream into an auxiliary or 3.5mm in, however you can get this to go into your car stereo and out your speakers. So this should be, for the most part, you know, it's Bluetooth, so it's going to be cable free except for this device that you're going to have to plug in somehow to your audio system. 3.5mm jack, whatever, you should have some way to do it. We'll look at that here in a sec. The other way, and if you wanted to just fast forward, since this is maybe the solution you're looking for, is an FM transmitter. So basically you'll just plug this device into your audio device, your phone, your MP3 player, whatever, into your headphone jack, select an FM frequency on this, find an FM frequency that's free of any radio on your phone, on your receiver in your car, and this is going to broadcast across FM modulation frequencies to your stereo. So no Bluetooth required. This is just going to be like a radio station broadcasting whatever you're playing, audio books, podcasts, music on your phone or on your MP3 player to your car stereo. So let's go ahead and open these up, take a look at them. See, here is the Streambot. Get this opened up. Alright. So here's what you get for the Streambot. You get a nice little car powered charger here with two USB plugs. So you can actually use this to power the Streambot and your audio device, your phone, you charge your phone, your MP3 player, whatever, your iPod, all in one. So the Streambot got a little stickum, so you can mount this somewhere on your car dash. And then this projects a Bluetooth 4.0 signal that you're going to connect to. This will go into your car stereo. And again, this is just a USB plug to charge this device, or to power it, basically. I don't think you can actually charge it. And then this will actually just, you know, got some buttons on here you can use to control. Looks like forward, reverse, shuffle. And then, yeah, that's probably about it to what you can do with this device. You can push this top button here to actually get it into Bluetooth pairing mode and turn it on and off. So we'll take a look at that option and how it's going to work in just a sec. But now let's take a look at our FM transmitter. And we'll go out and we'll demo both of these just to show you. So you're going to get a instruction manual on how to set this one up. And then a micro USB cable for this, and then the actual device itself. You can get it out of the packaging. So there you go. And this pretty much is just going to plug into your headphone jack on your device, and then, like I said, you're going to power this. It's going to have a little screen. I can't get that off, but be able to change channels like you're changing it on the radio, and then you're going to match these, whatever frequency you've come across on here. Put it on your stereo. You should be listening to whatever you can broadcast on this. So we're going to pause this video, we're going to go out to the vehicle, and we are going to hook each one of these up and see how they sound and how they work. Stay tuned, guys. We'll be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. So we've got the Streambot plugged into the car, so let's go ahead and I'll show you exactly how this hooks up. What I've done is plugged in actually the USB in this USB car charger. It's actually the bottom one here. And the 3.5mm jack, somewhere in your car you should have something that looks like this. It may be below your receiver or it may be in the receiver itself. So I plugged this in, basically I'm giving it power and I'm giving it an input jack into my car receiver. And then of course here is the little Streambot itself. I have not affixed it anywhere, but you can actually, you know, tape this or stick it somewhere. This will start, it'll power up and pair to your phone, actually after you've done your first Bluetooth pairing, when you just turn the ignition and the power comes on. This auto comes on. That's a very cool feature. So let's go up to the stereo itself. Now, as you can see here, I've actually put the stereo on auxiliary. So that's telling it to look for input from the auxiliary port. So like, that's basically for me, Rockford Fosgate, you can see. This auxiliary button right here puts my receiver to like in a input mode where it's going to receive you know, audio from my device. Now, because it's a Bluetooth receiver, basically, anything that I stream to this comes through the stereo. So let's do an example. I've actually paired my iPhone with this. Let's get it out of the sun so we can actually see. And I gotta say, this Streambot sounds amazingly good. So first off, let's try a podcast, guys, just to see how spoken word sounds. There we go.
It's the Mike Tech Show, show number 552. This show is a proud member of the Tech Podcast Network. If it's tech, it's here.
Okay, so a little shout out to my boy Mike Smith from the Mike Tech Show. I do listen to his podcast. So, you know, you can listen to audio books, you can listen to podcasts, whatever now through your car stereo speakers. That's pretty darn cool. Now, of course, if you're a jammer and you want to put some music on from your iPod, that works too. So let's go ahead and launch. We'll just play some tunage. There's nothing in this world I wouldn't do. Sounds great through the car stereo. Let's turn it up. Hey, brother, do you still believe in one another? There you go. That is definitely almost CD quality sound, if not CD quality sound. That sounds superior to some of these older solutions that I've actually seen for these Bluetooth streamers, hands-free. You can also do phone calls, so I can take hands-free phone calls with this as well. So if somebody calls while I'm streaming, I can hear it go across my stereo, and now I got hands-free calls. You know, you don't even need that kit that people would install into your car. You've just got this, and that does the job. So pretty cool. Let's see if I can double-click it and do anything. Yes, it's calling the last number that I actually called, and it should come across.
Back
there you go.
Topeka, Kansas. Online now. Check it out. Good times and great oldies at renradio.com.
And it hangs up. So pretty cool. You can do that where hands-free calling as well, and all you gotta do is just push this. So put it on your steering wheel, double-click, redials the last number again. Somebody calls, click it, answer it, talk. You're good to go. Hands-free calling in your car. It comes across car stereo. Built-in microphone on this is right here. We're going to get it down in the light. There we go. And it's got pretty good sound. Not super great noise canceling, but it does its job. So, you know, with the windows down, they may have a little trouble hearing you. But other than that, it's pretty cool. So let's go ahead. We're going to pause this video. We're going to come back and we're going to look at the FM transmitter from MPOW, and this will conclude this video. And two options for you to have streaming audio from your audio device, phone, MP3 player, whatever, in your vehicle. We'll be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. As you can see, we've got the MPOW FM transmitter hooked up to the iPhone itself. And I've got some Spotify running here. That is it. I have a micro USB cable hooked up to this to actually provide power. And I have tuned it to 90.1. because right now on my radio I have it set to 90.1. Let's come up here, and as you can see right now with 90.1, it is a dead channel. Static. That's what we got. Alright, so now all we got to do is hit play, and we're going to start broadcasting FM frequency to our radio, and this sounds really good. Get you cooking pies, I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty eyes, soon as you came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip it, now she remixing for low. She my track queen, let her hit the bando. Alright, pretty impressed. So here are two awesome solutions from MPOW to do some streaming to your car stereo speakers. Now this one here is not going to allow you to do any hands-free talking or anything like that. This is strictly streaming, broadcasting your music, your Audible book, your podcasts, whatever, to your car stereo. So two different solutions, one Bluetooth, one FM transmitter, but two great solutions from MPOW. Check the show notes. I'll have a link for each one of these. They're not very pricey at all. So if you're looking for one or the other as a cheap, affordable solution for you to have this in your car stereo, whichever one works for you. If your receiver doesn't have that auxiliary in, then this is the solution you should go with, is the FM transmitter. If you got both, then it's really just up to you which way you'd want to do it. One gives you hands-free phone calling and the other one doesn't, but one's a little more pricier than the other. So whichever you need is what you need to select. But again, both get thumbs up. And speaking of thumbs up, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and a subscription to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.